Today I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest algorithms to do the checkerboard pattern on the pyramids. Let's get started. The reason that this is really easy to do is because it's a really short algorithm that you have to repeat 10 times. It's really easy to do. I'll put the algorithm on the screen if you need that, but all you really have to do is R prime, L, R, L prime, turn your cube, do that again, turn it, do it again. Keep doing that 10 times and this is what you'll end up with. As you can see, you just got this pattern right here, and if you could just turn the top the right way, you got the checkerboard pattern on the pyramids.